Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today is an exciting day because I'm unboxing something that's going to change our sleepovers forever. I just got my hands on the Green Haven king-size airbed from Amazon, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, as you know, my daughter and her family love to come over for sleepovers, and let's be honest, having a comfy place for everyone to crash is a game changer. Let's dive into the details of this amazing inflatable mattress. Product overview. The Green Haven Premium King-Size Airbed is perfect for both indoor lounging and outdoor adventures. Whether it's camping under the stars or hosting family at home, this airbed has got you covered. It measures a generous 203 centimeters in length, 152 centimeters in width, and stands tall at 45 centimeters, ensuring everyone has enough space to stretch out comfortably. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this airbed a must-have. Built-in electric pump. No more huffing and puffing. This beauty comes with a built-in electric pump that inflates and deflates the mattress in just 2 to 4 minutes. That means more time for fun and less time waiting around. Enhanced comfort. The soft, flocked top layer makes it feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. Plus, there's a raised pillow area for that much-needed head, neck, and back support. Say goodbye to sore backs in the morning. So, are you ready? Let's pop this baby open and check out what's inside. Stay tuned for the unboxing.
Picture ng...
Ay, oo nga pala ito sa ibabaw.
Oh, charge ba ito?
Ano siya na-charge? Saan ang makina niya?
Hindi po ba binoblow?
Ito yung charge.
May makina, built-in?
Paano po yun? Yan ang mag-inflate?
Wow, she's cute. She's cute though. Oh, look at the feet. Like the hair. Okay, what other characters from that? Does she have that?
Kailangan tayo sarap eh. Ang inosente.
Isaksak ko na po.
Okay.
Bakit pa pala doon?
Hindi ko siya.
Sabi ilang minuto lang ang tagal.
Oh, sorry. I messed it up now. Oh, that's perfect. Yep. I'm already booked. That's perfect. Nice, Vicky. Yeah. Can I watch a movie? Yeah. I don't know. Upstairs or downstairs? Wow, it's so high. What? It's like a mattress. I thought regular heels. Regular heels. Ate, your toes are in the video. Kailangan mo ng hagdan dyan ka.
Walang sinabi na wait.
Look over here.
Ha?
Wait.
I don't know. This style is. Look at kind of going through it because of the rain. Wala pag si Theresa ang humiga dyan.
Ha?
Si Theresa ang humiga. Tulog mo sa gitna.
Lubog.
Hindi. Iba ka nga ate.
Humiga ka. If my hair is wet in the rain, it becomes like an afro. Like,
Oh.
tibay oh.
Mom, you guys can sleep in my room. I'll sleep here.
Let me try. Oh, sorry. Magkano to eh? Magkano?
Nakasale sa Amazon.
Oh?
Ilan taon tapos nanood?
Hindi ba yan? Mas kesa dun sa mga ano, pinibenta.
Kasi bago na nga to ngayon, naka-built-in na yung ano, pag kinulang na sa hangin, uy, ganun lang nila ulit. Wait, I'm gonna get your bedding.
Next summer, Adam, there's one big ice there that